Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 7th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. High school students will visit the Renaissance Fair on February 10th. On February 13th, the secondary school will celebrate second quarter honor roll awards. At 9 a.m. on Friday, February 14th, there will be an informative presentation on end-of-course exams and FSAs. There will be lots of great information presented to help your students do their very best on these exams. Please join us. On February 19th, the 5th graders will visit our middle school. The students will participate in a marine science lab, play soccer on the PE fields, see a presentation by the Sea Cadets, and have pizza and ice cream for lunch. On February 20th, between 5 and 7 p.m., is the McTeacher event at the Lantana McDonald's behind the elementary school. Many of our students' teachers will be at McDonald's helping to make and serve food. McDonald's is donating a portion of all food purchases back to the school. The class with the most participants attending the event will earn Happy Meals for the entire class. On Saturday, February 23rd and Sunday, February 24th, we will once again participate in the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Secondary students who would like to participate can contact Mr. Bofice. Please come out and cheer our students on. On February 27th, we will have the Atlantis Skateway Family Night. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Skate night is from 6 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Skating is $7 cash per person, skating or not, and that includes admission and skates. Please come join in on the fun with your whole family. Saturday, February 29th is our next open house, 10 a.m. at the elementary school and 11 a.m. at the secondary school. This is a great opportunity to show incoming kindergartners our school, as well as 5th graders who can see everything the middle school has to offer. March 17th is Florida Primary Day. There is no school for students. Spring break is March 21st through March 29th. March 30th is now a regular school day. It is not a day off anymore for students. It was moved to the primary day. April 18th is Senior Grad Bash. It's a trip to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Thursday, April 30th at 5:30 p.m. will be Kindergarten Roundup. This is an orientation for next year's kindergarten class. Saturday, May 2nd is our junior and senior prom at the downtown West Palm Marriott. The cost is $70 per person. The theme is masquerade, and tickets are now on sale. Monday, May 18th is high school graduation. Lots of stuff going on. We have 2 Valentine's Day fundraisers. At the secondary school, they are selling lollipops with cards during lunches Monday through Friday until they run out. Then they will be distributed on Valentine's Day. At the elementary school, we are selling beautiful wood roses. They will last forever. Roses are $2 each or 2 for $3. Please fill out the form that was handed out, and students can select their roses on the afternoon of February 14th. Here's the events and activities update. Ms. T was recognized with a certificate by the Lantana Town Council for winning the Florida Tax Watch Award for her time as principal of PBMA. Let's take a look.
I really want to thank the town of Lantana because we came here and you really welcomed us. I've seen all of you, or most of you, come out and read to the kids. You come every year. You've all been extremely, extremely welcoming, and on behalf of the school, we really appreciate it. Thank you for the recognition, and it's great to be part of this town. Thank you.
We celebrated the 100th day of school last week. Here are some pictures. We had a door decorating contest for Literacy Week at the elementary school. There were lots of beautiful doors. To celebrate Black History Month, we had a bulletin board contest. Here they are. Here's Mr. Andropont.
Hello, everyone. Mr. Anderpont here. It's been a while since I've been on, but just want to talk about a couple things at the Middle High campus. For our seniors, we have prom May 2nd, so if you didn't get in your money yet, please get your money into Miss Maloney as soon as possible. And teachers, for a small fee, you can also buy a ticket and attend prom to help chaperone or just to have a good time. Some issues that we're experiencing at the middle high school campus, I need parents to help us out with, is dress code. Students are coming in with cutoff shorts. We're not supposed to have cutoff shorts. They're coming in with all kind of different colors. The colors that they're supposed to have for pants are only black, blue, or tan. No red, green, orange, or any other colors. We're having problems with hoodies. Hoodies are not supposed to be on in the buildings. And also, when it's cold outside, only our logo jackets are supposed to be worn. So parents, please help us out with that. And also speak to your students about those electronics. We're having an issue with students having earbuds in their ears or wires coming out of their shirts or their cell phones being out and about. They need to be off and out of sight before they get into the building. Our policy is if it's confiscated, you, parent or legal guardian, will have to come and pick it up at the end of the school day. Thanks. Have a good day.
Here's Ms. Fisher with some safety patrol information.
Hello, PBMA. This is Ms. Fisher with your update on safety patrols. We are getting ready to go to Washington, so Ms. Strohmeyer, Mr. Holligan, and I are very excited. Just a couple of reminders. Don't forget, be at the school at 3:45 a.m. on Monday so that we can get everybody together and make sure we get to the airport and leave the school by 4. So make sure that you're here on time or the bus is leaving. Also, I just wanted to remind you to bring layers. The weather's pretty warm in Washington, so we'll be peeling off all day. So make sure your children have comfortable shoes, some warm clothes, and lots of enthusiasm. We'll see you in Washington.
At last count, we have 55 jackets and 6 lunch boxes in the elementary lost and found. Please come take a look if your child is missing an item or have your child take a look. And finally, here's the Literacy Week Storybook Parade. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.